Follow these broad nutritional guidelines and you're already off to a good start, but let's dive deeper on the foods the liver really, truly loves. Keep watching for 8 powerful liver cleansing foods to give your body an assist. 1. Garlic. Eating garlic helps activate the liver detox enzymes, explains Dr. Passler. Basically, these enzymes assist in breaking down toxins and eliminating them from your system. Garlic also contains 39 different antibacterial agents, making it a great food for protecting your body against illnesses. To best make use of this flavor-packed food, opt for organic and fresh garlic whenever possible. When eating garlic fresh, the allicin compound can help kill unfriendly organisms in your intestines that produce toxins in your gastrointestinal tract, Dr. Passler says. Try sneaking an extra clove or 2 into your weeknight dinner veggies or Caesar salad. 2. Beets. If you've never jumped on the beet juice train, now is the perfect time to give it a try. As if the veggie's high antioxidant content and ability to improve exercise performance weren't reason enough. Beets activate liver enzymes and affect bile, which helps break down and absorb healthy fats and fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin E, says Dr. Passler. When your liver transforms fat and soluble toxins into their water-soluble form for excretion, it binds many of those toxins to bile so they can be escorted out of your body in bowel movements. 3. Organic apples. Adding sliced Granny Smiths to your snack rotation can be really beneficial for your gut. Apples, which contain lots of fiber, can help with cleaning out your bowels and introducing friendly bacteria, says Dr. Passler. It's important to go organic, however, since apples are a staple on the dirty dozen, the list of the most pesticide-laden produce. To take your fiber game to the next level, make sure to leave the skin on your apples and try having them for breakfast with chia seeds, another key source of gut-friendly fiber. 4. Broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are rich in antioxidants and boost up glutathione even better than straight broccoli, which means they support both phases of liver detoxification, explains Dr. Passler. Broccoli sprouts' benefits go beyond just the liver. They contain the precursors of a highly studied substance known as sulforaphane, which has been shown to help prevent certain cancers, Dr. Passler points out. Sorry, Brussels sprouts, you've officially been one-upped. 5. Watermelon. Another fruit worth serving up for some liver love is watermelon. Fitting the bill for the American Liver Foundation's fiber recommendation, a 2-cup serving is just right. Watermelon also contains the antioxidant lycopene, which has been found to raise glutathione levels in the body. 6. Fermented foods. According to Dr. Passler, if you've been feeling bloated or constipated for more than 3 days, it's a sign that you could use some more fermented foods in your life. Kefir, sauerkraut, pickles, kimchi, all of these tangy treats introduce gut-friendly bacteria to colonize the intestines and promote healthy elimination. Plus, it's really easy to prepare your own ferments at home. If you've got 24 hours to spare, you can make this coconut rose kefir, and if you're a little more patient, why not brew your own kombucha and save a lot of money in the process? 7. Walnuts. You may have already heard of the brain-boosting power of the mighty walnut. But did you know it's also a whiz in the liver department? First off, walnuts help increase circulation and blood flow, so toxins are more efficiently transported from different points in your body to your liver, says Dr. Passler. Cue the breakdown and elimination process. So next time you head out for happy hour, make sure you've got this walnut crumble on hand for breakfast, the morning after your brain, liver, and taste buds will thank you. 8. Avocado. Oh, avocado. The bayance of produce. This green beauty comes with 12 benefits of fiber, about 3 grams per serving, and healthy fats. Meaning the American Liver Foundation would say check, check, and check to adding a myriad of avocado dishes to your meal lineup. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.